What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. And now we're back on this 2009 Yamaha R1. Unfortunately, this is going to be the last video for this thing because we're about to wrap this thing up. So first, I have to show you, I finally found the little piece that I needed on the last video. So if you click back and check the piece that I was missing to make the connection, I found it right here. So we're going to go ahead and get this on and get the fans on as quickly as possible. And also we're going to get this tank painted and all together, and this video will be finished, guys. I'm sorry, but stay tuned for the next build. So let's get started. Okay guys, the bike looks absolutely amazing. It's finally done. As you can see, all of the fairing pieces are on. We want to go ahead and hop on the tank and go ahead and get that thing painted as quickly as possible. So guys, you already know the deal. Let's go. Okay guys, here's the final results of the paint job on here. She turned out spectacular. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I just got this stuff sitting on here right now, which I haven't bolted anything down. So let's go ahead and work on getting the tank bolted down and put on the gas cap lid and all that good stuff. So we can get ready to finish this thing up. Alright guys, that is a wrap. This bike is done, finished, finito. We are done with this thing. I know it took a lot longer than what I expected because I have a lot of stuff going on. But anyway, you guys wait to take this thing for a ride. This has been a phenomenal build. All the love and support to all my new subscribers and all the ones that's been there for me from the very beginning. Guys, this is not the end of bike builds, but I will be doing cars too. So guys, just stay tuned for all the up and coming things that are coming to the channel. So guys, like always, hit that like button and smash that subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.